Using components. In this lesson, we will learn about components. Every object we created in Maya has components like vertex, edge, vertex face, UV, etc. To explore the components of the object, we have to right-click on it. Now, different components of the object are displayed. Hold the right mouse button and drag and leave the mouse on the desired component. For example, if we select vertex, all the vertices are displayed in purple colored dots. By transforming these dots, we can modify the object. By changing the values in the attribute editor, we can either increase or decrease the vertices. The vertices that are under selection changes to yellow color. If we want to modify any of the vertices, first select it, then pick the transform tool and modify it. For example, this vertex can be dragged like this. Now see how it looks in shaded mode. In this way, we can modify the object by transforming the vertices. In the same way, edge. Edge means a line that connects two vertex points. These edges look blue in color when they are not selected and turns orange when they are selected. The edges also can be modified using the transform tools. The next component is faces. The region enclosed by two or more edges is called as a face. When a face is selected, it shows the dotted appearance like this. We can select the desired faces. To deselect the unwanted faces, hold Ctrl key and click with mouse. In the same way, to add selection, hold the Shift key and select with mouse. As like the other components, faces also can be modified by using transform tools. By clicking the Select by Component button in the status line, takes us to the previously modified component mode. But make sure that the object is in selection before you click that. If we click this Select by Object Type, again we can change to Object Mode. This is Vertex Face component. In this, the faces are displayed separately. To shift from component mode to object mode, right-click on the object and choose Object Mode.